So students, we've learned many things in squares and square root chapter, and now it's time to move ahead. We're going to find the square root of 11025 by long division method. And now how are we going to do this, guys? How are we going to do this? It's really, really simple. So what we'll have to do, we'll have to draw this kind of format. Okay, you can draw these lines with the ruler and pencil, guys. Try to be very neat and clean. Otherwise, what will happen? The work will look very shabby. So let me just teach you. First of all, pay attention on the screen, understand everything, and then try to write it down. Okay, now what do you mean by the long division method? You'll understand shortly. So I'm writing, look at this. There is one particular method by which you'll have to write it down like this way. So look at this. You have a decimal sign, isn't it? So from there, start making two to numbers group. You understood? That's step number one. I hope you understood it. Step one. What is the step one? Make the group from the decimal left and right of two numbers. Okay, from decimal to the left and right, make the group of two numbers. Say if it would have been, say, something like this, 0 5, then this way it would have been grouped. You understood how the group things happen? So group it in two numbers. That's step one. Now step two. What is step two? Now once you have found one, we'll have to do like one. Ones are one itself, isn't it? On this side we will add, and on this side we'll have to subtract. You understood? Now we'll have to figure it out. What is this? 1 plus 1? That's a 2. And what is 1 minus 1? That's a 0. Now the interesting part is next number, like that group will fall down. Okay, 1 0 will come down. Unlike our normal division, not 1 will come down, the entire group will come down. Are you understanding? Now the interesting part starts here. So whatever number we will write over here, we'll have to multiply with the same. Example, suppose if I'll write 1, I'll have to multiply 21 by 1. 21 by 1. If I'll write 2, I'll repeat. If I'll write 2 over here, so I'll have to multiply this number 22 by 2. Are you understanding what is happening? So if I'll write 8, okay, if I'll write over here 8, then I'll have to multiply 28 by 8. Are you understanding how the multiplication happened? And whatever number we'll multiply over here, we'll have to write over here. And that number should be chosen. I mean, now this empty number should be chosen such a way that should be less than this number. Are you getting it? So if I write 1 and 1, 21 ones are becomes 21, which is more than 10. So not even 1 will fit over here. So I'll have to choose the number 0 only. You understood? 20 zeros are becomes 0. So the number comes 10 down over here. And here addition becomes 20. Okay, and this 0 I'll have to put over here also. I hope you understood. First number was 1 because I wrote 1 over here. Second number was 0 because I wrote over here 0. And now again I'll have to fix one another number over here, and I have to copy paste this 25 down. Okay, one second. I'll just get this 25 down over here. I hope you understood this. Why 25 over here as well? And now what number should I write over here? Say if I'll write 5 here, I'll have to copy 5. So what will happen? 205 into 5. You understood? So 205 into 5, 5 will become 25, and 5 2s are 10. That's how it fits over here. So 105. This method, okay, now you look at this. It turned out over here as 0, isn't it? Everything got over here. Now nothing is left over. One second, hold on. So here it's empty, like we finished everything in here. So the remainder is over here now 0. You understood? So what we understood over here, that's I'll just shift this part over here. Okay, so what we understood over here, square root of, therefore square root of 11025 is simply this. Did you understand this number, which is called as 105? And that's it. And this method, student, it is called as long division or square root by long division. I hope you understood and you enjoyed learning along with me, isn't it? Show your thumbs up if you're finished. Pause your video and copy paste. We will do more 2-3 sums based on this, and then you will get actual confidence about this topic. Okay, so hold on, pause the video, and then let's move ahead. Okay, students, now the next number we have to find the square root of 0.001225. Now, how to do this? Look at this. It's a very simple and very interesting sum, guys. Once again, how to make the pairs? That's like the first thing, isn't it? So please draw this way your number system. I mean, draw with the ruler and pencil. Don't draw these lines with guys with the pen. It looks the works or your examiner won't like that work if you're just drawing it with the ruler and with the just pen. So don't do that kind of work. Now I have copy pasted this number 0.001225. Now how the pairing things will happen? Look at this. Pair happen like this. One, second pair, and third pair. On this side it's zero only, so nothing to worry. I hope you understood. From the decimal to the right, I mean to the left and to the right, we take two numbers, isn't it? That is what the step one is. Now zero does not make any difference, so we can simply take 0.0 because there is no point writing a separate number 0 0 0 0 unnecessary extra step. So now starting with the 12, I have to figure it out with the 12. What will going to place over here? So what number should I write which will fit with the 12? So 3 threes are 9 or 4 fours are 16. So first number which will fit it will be 3, isn't it? 3 threes are 9. So now यहाँ पर होता है addition और यहाँ पर होता है subtraction. On the left hand side we add and on the right hand side we subtract, isn't it? So 12 minus 9 will become 3 and then we'll take this number 25 down. I hope you are following. Now the next step is I have to draw line. Please, student, pay attention over here and then write it out. I have drawn these two blanks, isn't it? Now I have to fit one number over here such a way that which will get this 325 or closer number or smaller than this number. So if I'll write 64, I'll have to multiply with 4. You understood? If I'll put 4 over here, I'll have to multiply with 4. If I'll write 65, but if I'll write 5 over here, I'll have to multiply with whatever is this number, unit number. You understood? So how to decide? Look at this. Check out this number and check out this number. Then you'll understand. 6 5 are 30, 5 5 are 25, and 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. So it fits over here perfectly as 5. I hope you understood how I've chosen the number. 65 into 5, 5 5 are 25, 2 carried, and 5 6 are 5 into 6 30, 5 into 6 30 plus 2 32. So that perfectly fits, isn't it? Now on this side we'll have to add, it becomes 70, and on this side we'll have to subtract, so that turned out 0. Now all the numbers has got over. Now this 5 which we wrote over here we'll have to supposed to write over here. So what is the square root of 0.001225? Would be 0.035, and that's it. Our answer is ready. Isn't it very, very simple, guys? Please have habit of writing the final answer into the box format. I hope you got this answer perfectly. Anyone in case have any doubts or difficulties, you can surely raise hand. And if you have not understood something, surely ask me. Okay, guys, now we are going to the third question. We have to find the square root of 6 whole 7 upon 8 up to 2 decimal place. Now, important cheese here, we have to find the square root and that too up to 2 decimal place. Now, how are you going to concentrate or how are you going to do this? So, we'll have to first of all figure this out in the decimal. 6 whole 7 upon 8 can be done as 55 upon 8. And now, if we divide this 55 upon 8, it will going to turn out as 6.875. Isn't it? This is the decimal version of the same fraction, nothing else. We just did the division and we got this answer. Now, if someone doesn't know how to do this, you can simply divide this 55 by 8 and then you're going to get something like this 6.875. You can do that long division in case if you have doubt. You're going to get this number. I hope you understood how to find this division. By the way, we have to find the square root of this number. So how are we going to find the square root, guys? And that too, we'll have to use the long division method. And now recently we've learned in the long division method. So what are we going to do? First of all, we're going to make the pairs. Now, how to make the pairs? From this decimal, go to the left and go to the right and make the number 2 2 in pair. Now, if they are not in 2 2 pair, we'll have to put zeros, okay? And okay, in the prior, you'll have to write pehle 0 and after decimal, you'll have to write after the zero. जैसे कि like देखो 5 के बाद कुछ भी number नहीं था, so we added a few zeros, isn't it? Now why I took three places, 1, 2, and 3? Because I will going to get one place answer over here, then decimal, then one answer, second answer, and three answer. Like three decimal place I'm going to get the answer, and then I can round it off to two decimal place. You understood how I'm going to get the rounding off up to two decimal place? I hope you understood this concept. And if you have not understood, nothing to worry. Stay tuned. I will finish this sum and then you'll understand perfectly. So, how you will do this? Let's work out. So, 6 ke pehle, which is the perfect square? That is 2 2s are, so I'll write fix over here 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay, now what I did, I multiplied 2 into 2 and I wrote over here. Now, आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन यहाँ पर ऐड करना पड़ेगा 2 + 2 4 एंड यहाँ पर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा दिस विल बी 2 रिटर्न नाउ द नेक्स्ट नंबर विल कम डाउन 8 is 7 now what number should I write over here see understand if I write 5 over here 45 5 if I write 6 over here I'll have to do 46 6 are you getting it so what is 46 6 6 is a 36 3 carry 6 4 is a 24 plus 3 okay 6 4 is a 24 plus 3 27 so 276 isn't it which is very close to 287 I guess if I'll do 7 7 7 is a 14 and then that number will exceed over here so I'll fit over here 6 you understood and I'm writing 6 over here so it fixed as 276 I hope you got that trick now the product I wrote over here and the addition I'm going to write it down over here 46 plus 6 will become 52 okay and now the subtraction will I'll write over here so 7 minus 6 1 8 minus 7 1 and then that 0 now the next group will come down as 50 down earlier 87 had come down and now what will come down 50 down now what number should I write over here obviously I will write something as 2 because 522 into 2 if I'll try I'm going to get something as 44 and then that 10 which is close to this 1150. If I'll write 3 over here, it will exceed 15,000 will happen, something like that, isn't it? So I'll fit 2 over here, 2 over here, and then that 2 over here and right. You understood? Now on this side, I'll have to add 524. That is the addition of this one number. And what is this product? 1044. And now I'll have to do subtraction. When I'll do subtraction, what I'm going to get that? I'm going to get that as, 10 minus 4, 6. And 50 minus, okay, 0. And 1 so that is 106 now I have to get this down the next pair as 0 0 0 0 okay now what number should I write over here say it again I have to write 5 2 4 2 के साथ we'll have to multiply see if I write 2 over here I have to multiply this by 2 so it will become 2 2s are 4 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4 and then that will become 10 which is close to these numbers so I have fixed over here 2 you understood so it will become 10, 4, 8, 4. Now I don't think so. I'll have to do that subtraction because I have got my digit over here and that is more than sufficient for me. Now what are the numbers guys? Look. We have to supposed to figure it out up to 2 decimal place. So we got up to 3 decimal place as something like this. Square root of 6.875 we got that as something like this. What? 2.622 2.622 now we have to round off up to 2 decimal place but we want this place and this place so this place the third decimal place if it is 5 or more then we add a 1 over here in the prior digit but if it is a less than 5 we add a 0 but we don't do any changes so the answer will become up to 2 decimal place 2.62 I hope you understood this isn't it very very simple I hope you learned this perfectly so watch my next video for understanding how to do the word problem based on the square roots and with the long division and many more interesting questions. So till then, bye bye. If you have completed till here, you can pause and copy paste this question quickly in a board. If you have any doubts or difficulties, you can post them into the doubts section.